Hi guys, in front of me is ULEFONE Armor 17 Pro, and let me show you how to activate developer options on this device. So first of all, you need to open the settings, then find and select About Phone, and here click on Model and Software Version. Here you will notice build number. Tap on it 7 times, then try an unlock pattern if you have one, and that's it. As you can see, from now on you are a developer. Let me go back, and now you can find developer options under System. So just click on System, and here they are. Tap on Developer Options. You can smoothly use them, and whenever you wish to deactivate it again, just unmark the stop switcher. From now on, they will no longer be accessible. You just have to restart your device too and turn them off. So that's it. That will be all. Thank you for watching. Please subscribe our channel and leave the thumbs up.